welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. We are going to look at Joshua Weissman's new cookbook, an unapologetic cookbook today. He is a YouTube sensation, and this is his first print cookbook. We are going to make chicken katsu today. So our first step was to take our chicken. We have about 1.5 pounds of chicken, and then pound it and season it with kosher salt. You can do this up to a day ahead of time, and then so it really absorbs the flavor. So I have the pounded and seasoned chicken, and now I'm going to dip it in flour and then an egg wash, and then finally panko crumbs. And then I'm going to lay it out here on parchment paper. Okay, we'll add a second layer of parchment paper and then do it again until we finish all of the chicken breasts. Now we're going to add 2 cups of a high heat oil. I'm using canola. We're going to add this to the pan. And then we'll heat it just until it starts shimmering. So we're going to cook these 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I like to make sure it's cooked, so I'm going to say 5 for this first one. You can use chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I used chicken thighs just because they were what was most readily available when I went to the grocery. So we've cooked all 5 chicken breasts, or chicken thighs, I apologize, and seasoned them with salt. Now we are going to make the spicy cabbage slaw. I've already sliced a half of a cabbage, and then we are going to add 3 green onions, or about a half a bunch of them, sorry. Before I do that, we kind of want to bruise the slaw, so I'm just going to kind of bruise it a little bit with my hands, just kind of crunch it together. Then I'll add the green onions. I'm going to add kosher salt. A little lemon juice. Then I am going to add chili garlic sauce. You can also use chili oil. So I'm just going to add a little of this in here. It's just to taste. Because I'm using the sauce and not the oil, I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. And then we just need to blend it together. Now we are going to make the katsu sauce to go with the chicken and the slaw. We start with 6 tablespoons of ketchup, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey, and then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of miso. And then we are going to blend it together. Until all the ingredients are combined.